Y'all want to see a dead body?
Yeah.
So that's good. So then you're the final step before it goes out for shipping, so that we make sure. Now, what if it doesn't pass?
It goes back to the tech. It goes back to the tech that repaired it in the first place, and they will try to find what went wrong. So that's what we use for testing. And if we are not satisfied with just the test results, Dave, let's do a sound test really quick.
Okay, I want that in my.
From dummy load.
Yeah.
To actual reactive load, a woofer. Here we go. So we listen to the amplifier.
Okay.
Make sure that it doesn't shut off. Crank it,
right. Come on, Dave. Let me go around this side. Oh wow. Okay.
Switch load. On the switch.
I think that one's blown.
Our enclosures to right about 40 hertz.
Wow.
Because 40 hertz gives you a lot of thump in your car. It's that deep pounding bass that you really want to hear in your car.
Right.
And everything below that is pretty much a waste of information.
It is.
So we eliminate it.
What the fuck?
So we're giving you a lot of output from a small space.
Wow. Okay. I think that one's blown.
Yeah, motherfuckers, I know that shit. He ain't bothering you, so don't fuck with him.
Oh, that's it. There she goes. Fuck a kicker. Wow, dude, the spider, it came out of the gap. Oh my god.
Look like Freddy Krueger got him. He stink. That's how they smell after a while. I wonder why I take the leave so long to pick them up.